Hello everyone, welcome to the tech channel. My name is Arjun Sai Sachin. Today we are going to see how to use your iPad as a digital notebook reader or anything like that. And how can you read books in simply go to the books app and you will see this page first. I have my class books and I have downloaded some of these, and now when we go to search we can see what books you want, and we can go to bookstore and buy them. Like, see this Cinderella file. We can add anything we want, like user guides, we can see that too. And now, but the free books we can go to search and English speaking, and we can download one of these. Like, let me take one of, okay, A Night in the Snow. You can take this and get, okay, and it will ask you for the touch ID. If you done, yes, done. This is free, not purchasing. This is free for reading. It's like books. Okay, read, and you can, yes, the book is open and you can read whatever you want and any story you want. Okay, now let's see how to add a book by scanning. Some books have the QR code to scan and read like a digital book in our iPad. Now let's see how we can scan it. Okay, now let's go, and we want to go to this QR code scanner, and now we have this QR code here, and Safari will detect that. And now we have one option to select, and that will open a website, and you can add that book and you can simply read it. Okay, and I have some books of my 6th class one. Okay, you can see I scanned and added in. If you want any guide and about your iPhone, iPad or iPhone, anything that you want to use, okay, let's see how we can use an iPad just for an sample. Okay, it's free. Okay, free. Okay, that's ID processing payment, and there is it. Some of them is having, there's 70 MB. The shift programming language, you can read that too. And 10.3, 9.3, this is all user guides, and we can read that all now. We can read it, and it's loading. It will take some time to load. You want to wait some time. And we have many of them: iPhone, iPad, MacBook too, MacBook Air and Essential, like that, and Apple Watch, iPhone 9, iOS 9, iOS 11, and any MacBook you want to read. That all is contained in this user. Okay, this is installed. Let's read. Okay, now it will open. Okay, this is iOS. Okay, you can see this user guide will tell you which iPads are compatible with iOS 15 or anything you want. You can see, read anything. Yes, like that you can see. By this kind of method, students can, some schools are not supported to take iPads or any technology to the school. Some schools are supported, so we can use this books app or scan the books and add in our iPad, and we can read by traveling. This is, you can see, you want to, for of your goal 5 minutes, it will keep like a books app. You can read, and here is the 2 minutes. I read the book like these 4 books or 5 books. Okay, thanks for watching. If you like this video, like, share, comment and subscribe. Follow me on Twitter and Instagram. Thank you for watching.